Attention, H-1B, F-1, and green card holders. Thinking about traveling outside the US? Stop before you book that ticket. The US visa system is facing major delays, stricter enforcement, and increased scrutiny. One mistake could leave you stuck abroad for months or worse, risk your residency. Here's what you must know before you leave the US. Visa processing delays and risks. What's happening? Massive visa delays at US consulates. H-1B and F-1 visa renewals. Now taking 4 to 6 months. Administrative processing. Some applicants stuck in indefinite security checks. Indian green card holders, facing longer inspections at airports, some forced to sign Form 1407 to surrender their residency. Policy changes that could affect you. H-1B visa lottery. The new beneficiary-centric system cut 2025 registrations by 38.6%. Fewer chances for new applicants. Dropbox renewal waiver shrinks. Only valid for same visa type renewed within 12 months. Operation Aurora ICE is revoking visas linked to groups deemed pro-terrorist, affecting many applicants. A controversial remark by U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance, "A green card does not mean permanent residency," has shaken the immigrant community. Are you at risk of travel problems? H-1B workers, if your visa expired over 1 year ago, you'll need an interview for renewal. Job loss? You could lose status. F-1 students, you must return within 5 months of travel. Switching to H-1B, you'll need an interview. Green card holders, spending too long outside the US? You could face revocation or detention. Elderly NRIs, many are being pressured to surrender their green cards at airports. Applicants in administrative processing, you could be stuck in limbo indefinitely. Must carry documents before traveling. A valid passport with a minimum of 6 months validity, the original I-797 approval notice, a recent employment verification letter, the last 3 months' pay stubs and tax returns, and proof of U.S. ties such as a lease, bank statements, or family records. Additional documents by category H-1B holders need a certified LCA and a copy of the I-129 petition. F-1 students need the SEVIS Form I-20 with a recent travel signature. Green card holders need a re-entry permit if away for over a year, plus proof of U.S. domicile. Warning: if you're in administrative processing, keep every previous visa and approval document with you. Travel only if necessary. Avoid trips unless urgent. File visa renewals early. Months in advance. Keep both physical and digital copies of all important documents. Download your case records now. Files may be deleted after March 20th, 2025. Don't take chances with your immigration status. Share this with fellow visa holders and subscribe for critical visa updates. Stay safe, informed, and prepared. See you in the next video.